Hello everyone. Now I'm going to tell you that how you can make a PDF file, how you can convert an image into the PDF. So for that you must need to install a software which can convert your file into the PDF. So I'm going to open the Play Store, and from here I will download a software which will convert my file into the PDF. If you are having any software like Cam Scanner with you, then you can use that also, but I am using Top Scanner. Okay, so this is the software Top Scanner which I'm going to use today. I'm already installed this software. So when I open this software, it will looks like this. So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to do your paper on the sheet. Okay, you just have to write whatever content you are supposed to write on the paper. Now you have to click on this plus sign which is at the bottom right corner. Fine, here you will get three options, and now you want to click the image of your work. So for that you have to choose this camera option, and when you click on this camera option, the camera of your phone will open. So what you have to do, you just have to click the picture. So when you click on the when you click picture, you have to click on the stick sign. So now it is asking to crop your image. You can set it according to your wish. Basically this is a crop option. Crop means you can set your image according to you, means you can delete the part of the image which you feel is not required. Okay, so now we have to tick it again, and now what you have to do, you can see in the bottom B and W1 is written. Okay, so from you have to click here and choose the photo option here. So when you click on this photo option, the color of your image will be changed. So I have choose this photo option from here. Okay, so tick it again. In this way I have added one image to my PDF. So if you want to click another image into the PDF, again follow the same steps. Go to the plus option, click on the stick sign. Again set the boundaries by clicking on the corners. Okay, now again choose the photo option, again tick. So now in this way you can see that you have added two photos here. Okay, so by following the same process you can add so many images. Now what you have to do before converting these images into the PDF, you just have to click on these three dots top right corner, and here you will get the rename option. Go to the rename, and here you just have to first type your name, for example Aman. Okay, now you have to type your class, for example your class is 5B. Okay, your name, your class, and afterward you will just type the subject, like whichever subject answer sheet you are going to submit, you have to mention that. For example it's maths, and the date also. Okay, or like on which date, that you have to put the date on which you are just submitting this PDF. For example today is 9, so I'm going to write 09/08/2020, and here you will notice that I have not given any space, or I have not used any connector in the date. So please try to avoid this. Okay, put 0 at the place of space, and now I have given the name of the put the name of the child, class, subject, and date. So be careful while writing this. Okay, and this is very important step that you have to follow. Now click on OK. So now my PDF, as you can see on the top, is now the name of my PDF is changed. So now I will click on this PDF option. Okay, so when I click on this PDF option, my images will change into the PDF. Now I can share it. Okay, Now it is asking, when I click on this share option, now it will ask about the size. Whichever size you want to feel, you can save. For example, I just click on the medium. Okay, so now your PDF is saved. Okay, so in this way you can convert your any file into the PDF by just clicking the photos. Thank you.